Shock absorbing caster wheel. We are Group 28. Our group members are KKD Kusumsiri, HK Vijay Singh, WGNS Bandara, HNW Gunawardhan and DG Kivindya. Caster wheel are mostly used in hospital beds, office chairs, toy wagons and material handling equipment. These casters are not resistive to shock. Because of that, they get cracked. People face many difficulties due to this problem. As an example, in hospital, patients feel very uncomfortable when they are carrying off hospital beds. Also, hospital staff face many troubles with these type of casters. In the supermarkets, customer couldn't carry the stuff safely and easily because these casters are not absorbing shocks. They have to make more effort to move the shopping carts because of this. In the large factories, they have to spend more money to repair and replace cracked or broken down casters. In the present time, there are shock absorbing heavy duty spring loaded caster wheels, but there are no existing solution for small casters. So we decide to design a shock absorbing caster wheel. Then we will consider our conceptual design. This conceptual design is designed using a rubber damper on the caster plate to absorb shocks. This is our second conceptual design. It is designed using 4 springs and 4 pistons as shock absorbing mechanism. Also, this contains a locking system. This is our third conceptual design. It is having a hydraulic damping system as the shock absorbing mechanism. As the locking system in this design, there is a swivel lock. This is our fourth conceptual design. It contains a spring damping system as the shock absorbing mechanism in the caster wheel. This is the last conceptual design of our group. It is designed by using a coil spring and a shock absorbing piston. This design also designed by using the spring damping method to absorb shocks. By considering all the problems, constraints and the limitation, we design a cast wheel having a shock absorber while fulfilling some of our objectives, such as durability, marketability, having attractive appearance, and with the high strength. So this is the cast wheel we designed. From analysis all the alternative we choose spring damping system and a rubber damper to absorb shocks. As the locking system we selected the mechanical locking system. We use nut and bolt fixing method to fix the caster. Then let's look after the parts of the final product. Fishing plate, rubber damper, shock absorber, coil spring, metal rod and plate, connector, lid, ball bearing, metal fork and lock, axle, washer, roll bearing and wheel. Design cast wheel has an ability to absorb horizontal shocks because of its spring damping system. Also, it can absorb vertical shocks with the help of rubber damper. This contains a mechanical locking system which ensures this safety. This is how the cast wheel absorbs shocks. By including shock absorbers to cast wheel, most of the problem can be solved. It will be comfortable to patients when carrying them on hospital beds. It's very useful for customers who use shopping carts because they can carry their things safely. Not only those, factories can save their money without wasting them in bad casters. We improved the quality of our product and the user friendliness. When considering the cost of the product, we did so many analyses to minimize the cost of the product while maximizing the quality of the product. It helped to market this product with an affordable price. Since we can produce cast wheels at lower cost compared to the cast wheels on the market today, we can manufacture cast wheels at a lower cost for hospital beds and shop trolleys in countries with small economies such as ours. At last, we would like to thank our lecturer Mr. Madhava Herath and our instructor Mr. Oshada Gamage. Thank you.